a shirt that is a couple of sizes bigger than your actual size. Like this one here is about 2 sizes bigger than my size. Lay it flat on the table and mark across the front from shoulder to shoulder. You can curve it a little as well right here. Then we're going to cut along the line to cut off the top part because we won't be needing it anymore. Let's turn it inside out. So next you can measure and cut to see how much elastic you need by wrapping it around your shoulders. Then let's fold the hem here to about 1/2 inch to create a casing for the elastic. I'm going to pin all around and then press next. So next we're going to carefully sew the casing, and let's be sure to leave an inch opening so that we can add the elastic through after. So now we're going to put a pin at the end of the elastic and we're going to run it through the casing. So lastly, we're going to overlap the ends of the elastic by maybe around 1 inch to secure it, and then we'll sew close the casing. And for this part, you can do a zigzag stitch.